All right, we're gonna be making some barbecue chicken. You know how it is. The chicken thighs right here. All right, the chicken's washed. Now it's gotta be oiled up. Hey, yo! All right, now some pepper on it. Next up, we're gonna put some salt. And I really like this. We got the chicken seasoning. Yo, low-key, I forgot to preheat the oven. All right, so let's preheat the oven. 350, and let's flip all of these because I'm just gonna cover it in more olive oil on this side, and then the seasoning. And I'm gonna be opening this coconut water to drink. Oh, choking on the coconut water. Yeah, I'm gonna recommend to all my fellow chefs out there to get this bottle. It's actually so good. Like normal olive oil, you know, comes in a glass bottle. This one's plastic. It's just a squeeze bottle. It's pretty nice. So basically how this recipe works is I'm gonna get this little brush thing, put the barbecue sauce in here, dip this in, and I'm gonna take out the chicken, rub it all in the barbecue sauce, you know, barbecue sauce it up, and then do that like 4 or 5 times. All right, barbecue sauce time. So I may or may not have just spilled it all over the pants, but like it's not really cooking if you don't make a mess. All right, so the technical term is not crisp, it's caramelizing. So we're gonna add the barbecue sauce and it caramelizes every time in the oven. All right, I started the timer. We're gonna put our chicken in. All right, now I gotta take the chicken out. Yeah. All right, this is what we got the chicken looking like so far. That's absolutely deadly.
Daddy, what you cooking? I'm cooking me some chicken. Oh,
this might be the most beautiful creation of mankind. This one's cooked a little bit more than the other one. The other one's like not as brown. So I'm gonna put the other one on the top for a little bit longer. Maybe like 3 more minutes. But oh my gosh, wait till you see what we got going on. Whew, ooh. That is lethal. All right, it's been in there like 5 more minutes. Let's take it out. All right, low-key I made it a day early, but it's all right. We're gonna put it in the boxes to like put in the fridge, and then it's just gonna marinate that chicken even more. Like it's just gonna, the barbecue sauce is just gonna enter the deep parts of the tissue, and it's gonna taste glorious.
oh baby, like
Like, isn't this just so beautiful? Oh yeah. All right, now the whole reason we made the chicken was for the fight. So yeah, I got Gaethje winning, O'Malley winning, and Lewis winning.
Yes, no.